it warm enough?
It is. It's very humid.
Love, I'm rationing paint.
Ration paint.
Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. They come to life.
It's really cool.
They come to life. Yeah, just still waiting on paint. Just waiting on paint. I was telling G off earlier about the kind of trying to not cover up, but make my paint go further. So using the raw umber to get it to go by. How much was that paint?
Oh,
Fuck,
$2,500,
I think.
That's crazy.
All right, so the surfs are getting closer. I say that all the time.
Well, they are, right?
Yeah. Look, I got
They're looking pretty good.
Look at that.
Oh,
Look at that.
Touch up.
All right, so let's see. Let's just kind of wet.
I do see that.
Yeah, I'm kind of speeding. I'm Russian. I'm not Russian. I'm American, but I'm Russian. Is that a joke?
Well, it's a Jeffrey joke.
Ism?
Sorry.
See, I want to use. Nah, it's too big. Is it a Jeffrey ism, you said?
Yes.
Hopefully this goes. Let's see. Let's see. Honest. It should be thick. It's not. I'm going to mess this up. Hell no.
Don't mess it up. We don't have enough black paint.
I thought this stuff was a little more.
Yeah, it looks a little thin.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. You know why? Because I didn't mix it up. Duh. It'll be good. What I did was I think I threw in the gloss polymer towards the end. Last time that I used it. What's that look like? Starting to look like he's finished?
Yes, it does.
Better not mess this up.
John Sheila, Captain Jeff, how you doing?
Good afternoon. It's a warm one. Look all right?
Yeah, it does.
She might be a little bit long, but it's all right. Probably, sincerely, I'm not just saying this, just because.
John says, looking great.
Thank you. There's probably more variation in surf scooter bills than probably anything else that I see.
In the birds that
You
shoot. Well, you don't shoot, but
or they get boated. How about that?
yeah, there you go.
Look good?
Yep, it does.
All right. I feel like I almost need to come back and put another coat.
Yeah, on that one. You're gonna mix
So maybe,
that up. Then.
maybe I'll mix the paint. I don't have a mixer. I don't have a mixer.
All this, you don't
all
have
this
a
shit,
mixer.
and I don't have a mixer. Oh, what is that? This looks really bad. We probably shouldn't be showing any of this.
Where do you SPI Vesta 21? Where do you buy your cork from?
Maryland Cork Company, Elkton, Maryland. Elkton, Maryland. All right, so that's mixed.
And John says your attention to detail blows my mind.
I'm
Truly.
not. Please.
He does a great job with the decoys, but kind of.
My stuff is not bad. Oh, my attention to detail?
Yeah.
Like life details? Is that what you're talking
Well,
about?
I would excuse you from the claim to that, but with the decoys, yes. You make a quality gunning decoy, love.
There we go. Look, it mixed. That's still a little on the.
Little thin side.
It's actually good. I think. No, it's still thin.
You tend to hold your breath doing this, too.
I do tend to hold my breath. Could you tell? I'm sorry.
Yeah. No, I just.
Oh, I'm not talking. Yeah.
Just to keep your hands steady, right?
Yeah. All right, Surf Scooter, they're just going to get shot anyway. There's a couple available. There are a couple available.
Steve Bielo. Good afternoon, Karen and Jeff. I wish that I had half your talent, Jeff.
Good afternoon. How you feeling? I meant to ask you that last night.
Yeah, that's always on my mind too. Sorry I never reach out, Steve, but I do think about you.
Oh, yeah, I was holding my breath. Yeah, these I'm happy with these.
So this fella, Chepe the Predator, he says, do you have any open spots available for booking? Christmas?
24, 25 December, 29 and 30 of January, like the 16th of January, maybe the 8th of January, and October, 13, 14 October, maybe early. Whatever that's worth. Thank you for asking, though. All right. That's not looking better.
But taking bookings for the following year.
Oh,
right?
yeah, 20, 27, 28. I don't officially have anybody down yet. Before I grab this, make sure we're here.
It's wide open, so if you want dates, get them now, because this year booked up incredibly fast.
Each of your happens quicker. There we go.
Nice.
Nice white eye.
I so would like to do that. That's like right down.
All right, I'll
my
let you
alley.
do this then. You can do it. Well, this is my little amateur tip, decoy painting tip. The sooner, especially with this Goldens, that you need to stop.
Mm-hmm.
The sooner that you let this stay on here and dry, the harder that it gets.
Okay.
When
Yeah.
it comes off really nice. These I just painted about, I don't know, a good hour, 2 hours ago on the phone or FaceTime audio with G. Here, get in there. FaceTime audio with G for like an hour 20. There we go.
And even this humid weather, it's still kind of
Yeah.
is
But if you felt this
dried
right,
it pretty good though.
yeah, if you felt it, it's soft right now. Like this is nice and soft. It's very like pliable. All right, there we go. All right, let's see if I can do this. Falls. There we go.
How many of these have you got? How many did you make?
A lot.
I know, but
I don't know. Honestly, I'm not being smart. I without me, you see what we got here.
yeah, I can't count and video at the same time.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 23.
How many do you put on a
12.
12 on it?
Yeah.
What is it? Long line? Is
Yeah.
that what you call it?
Hope Coach is doing good. I texted him, asked him how he's doing, and he didn't reply.
Okay.
He pops in here quite a bit.
Yeah. I don't think I've seen him there yet. So Chepe the Predator, can I book for December for was it the 24th and 25th or
Yeah.
25th, 26th?
24, 25.
Yeah. Yes. The answer is yes.
See that?
You just need to reach out to this fellow right here.
Where are you?
No, I don't do bookings. I will do decoys. Bookings is above my pay grade for hunts.
Yeah, sincerely,
Jeff doesn't mix groups, so he wants to
no,
go just.
sorry, no. It's they're private, and not to gouge you, but I'm charging you as if you were 4 people. So maybe it doesn't work out for you.
George says they look great.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, we got to. Yes, it looks really nice. George, we got the dogs. Jeff was able to find a small pond that we haven't been able to do much water work with the dogs, and this morning was their first training session at this new pond, and they did really good.
Breaking them in, just getting them used to it. It's a place where we're going to do a lot. I envision doing many, many drills. Not really throwing marks, but just doing. It's a nice place to do drills.
Yeah.
And I guess we could throw some marks, but that's not my intent.
So Tim WL 1979. Hey, they look great.
Thank you.
I hunt the Chesapeake, and one day I will make a few myself.
If I can help you, let me know.
Jeff has a ton of stuff on YouTube for reference if you ever need any guidance.
Quite often we put these up after we go live. We put these up on YouTube.
I much prefer these decoys up over the foam ones.
Oh yeah.
I know the foam ones are nice because they're...
Karen's referring to the Foamzillas.
Yeah. These are cool.
There we go.
Very nice.
All right, love. Appreciate your time. Thank you very much. Once again, if anybody's interested, we'll have some for sale.
And you've just got to finish the black and put the leather tabs on them and weight
them up. Put some leather on the bottom with a brass screw, and they will be good to go. Evidently, that one there, I need to touch up the weight.
Yeah.
That breeze feels good.
And these are all canvas backs that you still...
Yep, we'll get some canvas backs going on here shortly.
That's cool. I can't wait to see those done.
Yeah, canvas backs will be done shortly. Let's scratch this up.
Chepe Predator, he said, when would be the best time to contact you? If you want to text Jeff on 410-937-4034.
You
don't like that because they get lost.
Yeah, but it's easy now. I usually direct them. I do like texting the best.
Yeah. But yeah, if you reach out to him.
I was thinking about just to get those a little further along, so go ahead and do the bills. And really, this is my here. Check it out. That's here. That's the last bit of black that I had.
Okay.
And it's less than half a gallon. So I'm just kind of in that holding pattern until the new stuff shows up.
Gmail or phone. So it would be on his phone that you would be texting him. That he did say if you direct message him here on Instagram, he will get you to convert it over to a text message eventually. But if you want to start there, that's fine too.
Sure. Thank you.
Yes, so that, and then we have these geese, which are pretty cool, which we are going to hunt over them here in about a month's time. I'm super excited about. Steve BLO, I am channeling you again. Hopefully I can shoot cleanly, I guess. And these are the cool ones that we made, so I can't wait. Can't wait. I haven't been out here in a little while. The heat's been keeping me doing other stuff.
Yeah, I get stuff done for sure, but sometimes stuff sits for a while. Yeah. I'm pretty happy.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I'm pretty happy. They are hollow. Oh, did I just get black on there? No, I didn't. That's some of the eye. Put it on nice and thick.
What is the purpose, do you think, on the SCOTER, like that big black?
What it means, I do not know.
Mm.
I'll say this. I think everybody's probably has wood ducks wherever they're at or from, and probably at one time or another has shot wood duck. This part of the SCOTER bill actually is very, I call it fleshy.
It's
much like a wood duck.
It's kind of soft, yeah.
I call it fleshy, but yeah, whatever.
It's like skin.
Yeah,
really thick skin. Hopefully we'll get the opportunity to shoot a white wing when we go up to Canada later this year.
Rimouski, Quebec.
Yeah, that'll be cool. You still see occasionally some here, but not that many.
They just not like they used to be. I guess everything changes. Nothing stays the same, right?
No. That is the truth. Cool.
Gotta say, I just remember the gloss black being, I think I just, the last time I did, the Canada geese. I threw a lot of the polymer in there. And tried the last little bit that I think maybe it was the last little bit that I had. All right, love. Appreciate you. Thank you.
Yep. All right. Let's you keep going here, love. Oh, maybe I can see one that needs its eye scratched. I might have to do that.
Thank you, love. And as always, thinking of you, we are boom. Almost hit you, didn't I?
Yeah.
No, I was.